Isabel is a very determined fourth grader who studies different neighborhoods each year to determine which gave the most candy on Halloween. Right now, she wants to know which is the most consistent in the amount of candy she receives. She thinks the population standard deviation of all the neighborhoods is 2 candies. In her neighborhood, she samples 6 of the houses and finds a sample standard deviation of 1.86 candies. At the alpha level of 10, is there evidence to say that her neighborhood has smaller standard deviation than 2? Okay. You must be sampling 6 of the sample standard deviation 1.6 candies. All right, cool. All right, so to answer this question, we'll run a chi-squared test for standard deviation. We'll be using a left tail test because it was asking for evidence of a smaller standard deviation. Test statistic is 4.32. Actually, the options, I chose this one because it was, besides it looking for our standard deviation being less than 2, it was the only option with the standard deviation symbol. The test statistic is 4.325. Got that by applying what was given to us. We got a standard deviation of 2. We got a sample size of 6 and our sample standard deviation of 1.86. So just apply that into this formula. So S 1.86 squared, n minus 1, 6 minus 1. And actually that's pretty much our degree of freedom, isn't it? And then our standard deviation squared. Where is it? Here. P-value is 0.496. I applied that to chi-square CDF. Negative 1,000 because we are running a left tail test. And input our test statistic of 0.49. Wait, what the hell did I do here? Okay, no, wait. I input the 4.325. I just wrote it wrong right here. And then our degree of freedom of 5. I'm just gonna fix that. 0.4325. Okay. Based on this, we should fail to reject H0 because our p-value is greater than our alpha. And then for the last one, I chose B because because of this.